Stop the pool float! Hello, Splash Squad. Welcome to Color and Create with Ziggy. We've got a super important ultra splashy mission today. Design your own water safety poster. Because what's cooler than staying safe? Literally nothing. Except maybe swimming in a pool full of popsicles. We'll discuss that later. Pick your power rule. First, you need a powerful safety message. Something so bold, so brilliant, that even a sleepwalking flamingo would stop and say, "Whoa, good call. Try one of these or invent your own."
Yay!
No running, even if the snack bar is out of nachos. Eyes on the water, not on your phone. Life jackets, because fashion and flotation matter. Never swim alone, even superheroes need swim buddies. Write it huge at the top of your page. Use sparkle letters if necessary.
Yay!
Now, draw the drama. Time to turn your poster into an epic water safety scene. Will it have a dance-off between lifeguards and cannonballers? A frog wearing goggles and doing the safety sign? You in a cape made of towels, stopping splashes with style? Go wild! This isn't just a poster. It's a shout from the shallow-end masterpiece. Finished? Fabulous! Ask a grown-up to help you upload your poster to the Kids Canvas Gallery at educolorpress.com. Your art might be featured in the next episode. And yes, we award imaginary high fives and lifetime snack bar glory. Thirsty for more splashy fun and smart swim tips? Grab Swim Smart, the book that shows you how to stay safe, float like a pro, and possibly save your rubber duck from a swirling whirlpool of doom. Seriously, duck drama is real. That's all for today's episode of Color and Create with Ziggy. You were creative, you were splashy, you were awesome. And until next time, stay bright, stay curious, and stay Ziggified. Also, always check the pool noodle for sneaky squirrels. So you're welcome. You can download free printables from this episode at educolorpress.com.